cement hub, the coal hub, the leather hub, the skill hub, even the Amazon Flipkart, like this, all are doing business side of this Dankuni, Kollani and other place. So it is already started. They have not given a single paisa to Bengal. Only one tax is there, GST. They are taking away our money and saying big talk. They are giving us money. It is our money. Now only one tax is there. What they are collecting from Bengal, they are not giving our food funds. Will get about more than 2 lakh crores from the central government. So they don't have any moral authority to run the government and to finish the country like this. They want to destroy the economic structure of the country, the constitutional structure of this country, the independent agency, including the infrastructural facilities, the economy, the social sector, the economic sector, the federal sector, all is being vanished. Only talking too much and less work. What they do, only they use some jugglery of words which cannot affect. You have to give the advantage to the people, which common people can enjoy the facilities. সাধারণ মানুষের জন্য কিছু করেনি, তপশিলীদের জন্য কিছু নেই, আদিবাসীদের জন্য কিছু নেই, যুবকদের জন্য কিছু নেই, চাষিদের জন্য কিছু নেই, মহিলাদের জন্য কিছু নেই, ফার্টিলাইজার সাবসিডি বাড়িয়ে দিয়েছে, সামাজিক সুরক্ষায় কিছু নেই, শিক্ষা দপ্তরে কিছু নেই। আর যে 3টে ফ্রেট করিডোরের কথা বলেছে, আমরা 3টে নয় 6টা করছি।